Highigan. No.
I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready for that one.
4, 3.
Who starts at 5?
That's how it's done in the movies.
Hi again.
Hi
What's
again.
up, guys? Today we're getting into pot sizes.
Yeah.
Like, what is the best pot size for autos? What do we do? Honestly, I probably don't know the best pot size.
Well, right
for
now
autos.
we do 3 gallons.
Yep. So we'll explain what we've done and why we're doing 3 gallons, but is that the best? Maybe not. Is it the most cost efficient? It's a little, I feel like it's a cost savings, but from what we've learned, like overgrowing, starting in 5 gallons.
We did start in 5 gallons.
Yeah.
The first time we grew autos, we started them in 5-gallon pots, and we used Potter's Gold, I believe.
Yeah, pretty much just Potter's Gold.
And they actually finished out really
Yeah.
well for our very first
Honestly,
autos.
we didn't really have to do much.
No issues.
Fed them, we top dressed them twice.
That's probably why we fell in love with them.
Yeah, we top dressed them twice, and you know, really they finished out pretty good. And that was growing in the garage, very uncontrolled. We got mites at one point.
We did get mites.
We did get mites, but they weren't really affected. It was, we had some photos in there, like on the other side, and they got, but it never got over to the autos because they were pretty much done by the time those ones got, the photos got it. But anyways. We digress. We started in the 5 gallons, and you know, honestly, that first grow, they turned out pretty good. They were a little small. I mean, we didn't really know a lot, and we didn't really have
didn't know anything
the
about them,
greatest
actually.
lights. We had like the blurples, but we were pleased.
We didn't have the community to turn to.
Yeah, that's what's got us hooked on the auto. So, I guess like fast forward to later growing and stuff in the tents and the videos.
We started growing out of 3 gallons.
Yeah.
Because we thought, you know, when we harvested, our roots weren't even really hitting the sides. So we were like, we think we could downsize a little. So we actually started to go to the 3 gallons and noticed that they didn't get much. They didn't get smaller.
Yeah.
So we decided that we were going to save on soil and go with the 3 gallons.
Yeah, because it does save a lot of soil. I mean, you can mix 2 5-gallon things, or you can mix 3 3-gallons and still have some extra soil. So there's definitely a cost savings there, especially when they just increase the price on our soil.
Yeah,
that we get
$6 a bag.
$6 extra a bag, so it's like burning through soil and stuff like that. So we switched to the 3 gallons, and they seem to be running great. Like, you know, we're getting plants just as big as the first ones we grew, if not bigger. And we're like, oh, look at this, 3 gallons, we're saving. They're getting bigger. And you know, but then I think we started encountering other issues that we didn't have in the 5 gallons.
Agreed.
Because bigger pot size, more nutrients, more room for the roots to spread out. They can feed longer off that pot than they could in a 3 gallon. Less soil, less newts. You have to top dress more, and you have to feed more.
Agreed.
And maybe now that's all kind of hitting me as like, that's something that we didn't really think about, and we're getting these bigger autos because we're getting better environments, more controlled. We're learning more about the plant.
Which brings us to.
Yeah, I guess, which brings us to the 3 gallons are great. We're saving money with the pots, you know, and we have to feed more. So I think that's something we now have to account for, that maybe I'm not doing quite right yet, but the plants have been turning out pretty good.
But I was just going to say, my next run, I'm actually going to try 5 gallon again.
Yeah.
If you guys want to follow our grow series, we do have a whole series just based on our grows. So if you want to check that out right now, like I said, we're doing 3 gallons.
Yeah.
So this next run, we're going to try 5 gallons and again see it and be able to actually document it.
Yeah, and I think what we'll notice this time when we're actually paying attention is your 5-gallon pot plant. It's going to be able to grow out much longer with less feeding, because we're so used to like, oh, don't give it any food for the first like 4 weeks. You can pretty much just water them because they're just going to live off the soil in there. Then suddenly they run out of nutrients and your leaves start yelling at the bottom, and in the autos you're like, oh, dry amendments, and you're trying to catch up. I think when we switched the pot size, we lost a little bit of something because there wasn't as much newts there, and maybe we were trying to feed on our old schedule, so we weren't giving it enough feed when they need it in the smaller pot size. So I feel like that's something you can expect if you guys are toiling between what pot size should I start my first autos in. 3 gallons are great. You know, you're gonna save on soil. You're gonna have a smaller pot size, smaller footprint in your tent, but you're probably gonna have to feed more because they're probably gonna burn through the nutrients within your pot faster than a 5 gallon.
I agree with that. So that's, again, why I think I'm going to try that next run.
Yeah. So we'll do a side-by-side in the next 5x5 grow series.
I'm excited to show that along with you. And also, I want to talk about, talking about pot size, how much of a challenge it's going to be for the Highigan Cup.
Highigan Cup.
The fact that we have seen so much stuff going on in just a 3 gallon with an auto.
Yeah.
I am kind of nervous in a way to find out what we're gonna run into during this challenge, because I mean, I'm only in it to just
yeah, we're just having fun.
I just want to participate.
We're putting it on, but we're just having fun. Obviously, we don't want to win. We have some sponsors, so there's gonna be prizes, but we don't want to win it. We want to make sure, you know, you guys win. But we're definitely gonna participate, try and grow in a very small container, which we've never done. Struggling in the pot sizes we're growing right now, but we're getting better every time and having fun. So it makes it so fun, guys, with the community and everything. You know, we love to support all the new subs, all the positive feedback, you guys, from the last video. Holy wow, it really makes a big difference when we make content like this that doesn't get restricted, so you guys can see our channel. And we definitely make a lot of really high quality grow footage and videos. You know, even if the plants, maybe we're still learning, but it's fun and entertaining content, and it's high quality. You're gonna see some dope plants and some dope growing. So definitely, guys, thanks for watching. And you know, honestly, pot size for starting autos, it's entirely up to you.
It really is, but the thing is we've learned, you're gonna find your own challenges depending on every environment, depending on pot size, your lights, what nutrients you're using. You're gonna find your own challenges that you guys are gonna overcome. So again, thanks for watching us on our journey. Yeah, so fun. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Always check out the Instagram. We got tons of dope pics there all the time. You can join the channel members. We got early access to videos, you know, exclusive content, exclusive videos just that we've done for the members only, and we're getting a lot more members, so we're really focusing on a lot of exclusive content. I actually have a really awesome idea for members only, but I'm not going to reveal it. It's going to be fun. You got to be a member to know, so get them exclusive posts, and you can definitely join at any time, guys. Hit that bell, sub if you love our content. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Too much. I'm wheezing. Let's do this again. That was a wheeze. Hi again. No. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready for that one. Should I count us down? Maybe. 4, 3. Who starts at 5? Hi again. Hi. That's how it's done in the movies. They start at 5. 3, 2, 1. Man, I messed that up again.